7 Ways in Keeping the Home Cleaning Process Safe. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. A lot of home cleaning projects require time, energy and investment in cleaning products. However, cleaning is something you cannot disregard, since it keeps your home fresh and free of dangerous toxins. Know that the cleaning process itself could be somewhat of a risk if you don't lean on the safe side of things. Whether you live on your own, or you have little children and pets running around, it is important to use products correctly and watch your health when cleaning. Here are a few reminders in that regard. Consult the label. It doesn't matter what cleaning product you are using around the house, always consult with the label. Manufacturers list all the important information on the label: ingredients, use and safety precautions. Use that information to use the product properly and select it in the first place. You don't want to use any solution with ingredients you are allergic to, so do read the label carefully before making a purchase. Always use as directed. If you want to use cleaning products as best as possible, see to it that you follow the directions. Research how to use or a small test. If you have any questions, refrain from mixing cleaning products, as such recipes often produce harmful fumes. Reduce exposure. To reduce possible risks to pets and children, do your home cleaning chores in low-activity times. Clean when children are not in the house or when they are napping. Make sure you store products out of reach of children and don't leave them lying around after you have finished cleaning. Keep yourself safe. Children aren't the only ones you need to protect when cleaning. It is best to wear some safety gear, as the fumes of many products are irritating. A face mask, goggles and gloves are a must. They reduce the exposure to harmful chemicals and keep you safe on your cleaning rounds. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Don't use more than directed. A common mistake people make when cleaning with various products is to use more than is necessary. Not only is this often unneeded, as even a small concentration of products is enough to get the job done, but it is also costly in the long run. Store cleaning products properly. You can find storage guidelines on the label of each cleaning product. Always keep cleaning solutions in their original containers. That way you will not mistake them. Don't keep them near food. It is best to design a cleaning closet with a lock, to keep stuff away from children. Disposal. Before you dispose of a cleaning product, make sure you finish it entirely. Then, dispose of the container carefully. If you are unable to use up the entire product, check its package for directions. Evidently, there are quite a few considerations you need to have with regards to cleaning safety. Do think about how to make your home cleaning routine safer, as that will also make it more effective. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out 7 cleaning hacks you want to employ for barbecue season. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Visit our website fastklean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.